Introducing this 2021 Honda TRX quad on a premium ATV Nugent trailer. For just £8.97, this perfect duo could be all yours on 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲. So for your £8.97, you're not just investing in a quad, you're investing in the complete off-road package. This ATV Nugent trailer is built for the toughest conditions and to make transport an absolute breeze. With its robust design and secure capabilities, you can haul gear, extra fuel, or even another quad for peace of mind. The Honda TRX 420, known for its unbeatable reliability, powerful 420cc engine and smooth handling, is your perfect companion for tackling rough terrains, climbing steep hills and cruising through the great outdoors with ease. This quad goes Friday, £8.97, 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲𝗂. Get across, get your ticket spot, you never know.